Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will look at a Throwback Thursday aquarium stand project done prior to recording video for this channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. The materials for this project include 2x4 lumber, 1/2-inch plywood, and a few trim pieces. This stand was built to accommodate an aquarium that would hold 75 gallons of water. Since 1 gallon of water is equal to approximately 8.3 pounds, the stand would need to be capable to support over 600 pounds of weight. Staggering the vertical 2x4s as seen in this image has been something that I've used for many projects including other stands and workbenches. These staggered studs allow the vertical supports to support the top frame. The vertical inner posts run directly to the ground, providing support and stability to the outer posts. Considering the total width of 4 feet, the horizontal frame was also supported by a piece in the middle. The frame was then fastened together with wood deck screws. Plywood pieces were then cut to fit 3 exterior panels of the stand. The plywood panel cut to fit the top of the stand provided a level surface to support the aquarium. These exterior panels would be held in place by magnets fastened to the frame in order to allow easy removal of each panel to access storage below the aquarium. A plywood panel was also cut inside the stand to provide a flat surface for storing the aquarium filter and accessories. As seen, a small table of scrap wood was then added to help increase the storage space below the aquarium. The electrical surge protector was screwed on the inside of the top of the frame to allow the stand to hide wires and allow the mounting height to help create drip loops for the wires. As seen in these images, the interior was not fully painted, however the exterior was painted and handles added to the front-facing panel. Although this is a very roughly finished project, hopefully the design of the frame may be interesting and adapted to other projects such as workbenches or stands. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.